Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm your host Jose, and today we're going to work on this Motorola Z4. Is one of those Motorola's that has the little notch right here, you see, just a single one camera. So what we're gonna do is be replacing this screen, and of course we got the new replacement right here ready to be installed. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do it, and so that way you guys can learn and fix your phone, save some money. All right, let's do it to start this repair. All right, I'm gonna be using my heat gun. Also, I'm gonna use gloves because you guys can see this is really bad. This is being broken really bad. Okay, so we're gonna start by heating up this the screen. Just applying some heat. Just apply a good amount of heat. All right, as you guys can see, the screen is already damaged. If you see this yellowish thing, that's the LCD. Actually, the polarizer getting burned. So just I'm gonna slide the razor blade like this, and I'm going to be lifting that screen. As you guys can see, if you use pretty hot temperature, it's gonna be pretty easy to split, as you guys can see right there. Just going to do the other side. And remember, don't be easy on the side with the heat, because we have this plastic frame. If you use too much heat, you might burn that piece. In that case, you're gonna have to replace it. Okay, this is all we're gonna do. You see how easy it is, because actually it doesn't have glue in the middle, it's just on the side. So that's why. And also if we heat it up really good, it's gonna come out that easy. It's a pretty easy phone to replace the screen. I mean, the screen is not as cheap as the other phones, but you know, in case it breaks, it's not gonna give you a hard time to fix it. So after we already split the screen from the frame, just don't pull it, because you can rip something, you can break the connector. But this is one of the really easy phones to work with, because you guys can see we haven't even removed not even a single screw, and we already have this phone open. Okay, you see, that's how you open it. And I'm gonna use my tweezer. Very easy. Like I said, I'm gonna remove this little plastic. That's it. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna just lift this strap like that, and I'm gonna slide that cable off. Yeah, that's how you remove the LCD from this phone. So as you guys can see, you don't have to open anything on the back. Everything is sealed right here. All you gotta do is heat up this really good, and it will come right off, because only has like double side tape around the edges, as you guys can see. Very nice LCD. We have this opening right here, as you guys can see. Also on the phone, it looks like we have a sensor, like a red point right there. You see, we're not being spied, nobody taking picture of us meanwhile we use the phone. Like, it's kind of scary though, that thing right there. But anyways, that's just for the on-screen fingerprint. As you guys can see, that sensor is pointing directly at this location right here. Even in the new screen, we can see it has this this cover. If we peel it off, it's gonna be just protecting, so make sure it doesn't get dirty, because it's gonna be very sensitive stuff. Okay, that's how we have the LCD, and we're gonna proceed to clean this up before I even test it, because I don't want to risk the new screen. So we're gonna go with our razor blade, just cleaning all the way this around. All right, and always remember, after cleaning, making sure there is no glass, we're gonna just brush it up with our toothbrush, just making sure, you know, there is no pieces of glass left in this frame, because that's gonna be really bad if we lay down the new LCD and there is a little piece of glass around there. That's gonna just kill our new screen. We don't wanna see that happening. So just make sure clean everything really good. All right, now before we go ahead and install the new screen, unplug the battery just to make sure the phone is off. You know, because sometimes it happens and the phone is still on, and we can break something really easy. So we're just gonna peel this the battery cover right here, and it's only one screw. So okay guys, before we proceed with anything else, what we're gonna do is test our new screen. Very easy, just connect the screen back on into the connection right here. Slide that cable. I'm gonna show you. You see? Good. You're just gonna slide that cable in there. So, and gonna close it down. Just like that. All right, we're gonna proceed and turn on this phone. See if it has some juice on it. And woo, yeah! We got power. See guys, that's the difference between this one, actually it comes this way, this one and that one. I just want to let you know, probably you should apply a little bit less heat, but don't be afraid, this will not do anything to the phone. And this is actually the, like I said, the polarizer, changing the color. Okay, we have the phone here. And of course, we can see, I'm gonna just go to like emergency. As you guys can see, phone is working fine. So that's pretty much about it. Always check like all the corners, see if there is any dead spot or something. That everything looks good. Everything looks good. There you go. So that's it. I'm gonna proceed and shut it off. Let me unplug that. And now we have our phone all clean, everything clean right here. Make sure double tap, double check, then there is no glass around here, not even one single piece. And we're gonna apply some B9000. That's the best way to secure the screen. We're just gonna go all the way around with this B9000. Just make sure you apply the right amount of glue. You don't have to put a lot, but you know, just put the right amount. All right, that's about it. Close that up and make sure you're not blocking the camera with anything. Sometimes the glue goes over the camera. Just make sure that's not happening. Put the glue. Now make sure you remove all the stickers. Like I told you, this one very important. Another way you're not gonna be able to use the on-screen fingerprint. Really cool, really cool. We have some other stickers here, and that's it. I'm gonna slide this cable in there for the last time. Gonna do it very gently. There we go. Close that up, and we're gonna put I remember we had a little plastic. You see, we can even use this one to secure our cable right here. Alright guys, and all we gotta do now is close this down really careful. Make sure everything is fine. One second, I almost forget. You see, I was looking at this, I thought it was part of the front, but it's on the back. Just making sure everything is properly done. All right guys, that's pretty much all you gotta do. Now we're just gonna put some clamps on this one, and we're gonna let it rest for like 10-15 minutes, depending on how long you want to let it be there. But that's pretty much how do you replace the screen on a Motorola Z4. I hope you guys like the video. As you guys can see, if I would have the fingerprint set up, that's the phone itself is telling me where to put my finger on. Okay guys, that's it for this one. We're gonna finish this video right here. We're gonna just let this phone sit and rest and dry it off. And I just want to make this quick video because this phone was pretty much very simple, but yet many people will have the question how to do the screen on a Motorola Z4. All right guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, down if you didn't, but please don't give me a thumbs down. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching again. Your boy Jose is checking out. See you guys later. Bye.